Column charts and bar charts are two of the most commonly used chart types in data visualization. Here are the main differences between these two chart types. Orientation. The most obvious difference between column charts and bar charts is their orientation. Column charts are vertical, with the data values plotted along the y-axis and the categories plotted along the x-axis. In contrast, bar charts are horizontal, with the data values plotted along the x-axis and the categories plotted along the y-axis. Shape. The shape of the bars or columns is another difference. In column charts, the columns are rectangular in shape, with a uniform width and varying heights. In bar charts, the bars are also rectangular, but with a uniform height and varying widths. Data types. Column charts are often used to represent discrete data, such as categories or groups. On the other hand, bar charts are typically used to represent continuous data, such as time intervals or numerical ranges. Visual emphasis. The orientation and shape of column charts and bar charts can also have an impact on the visual emphasis of the data. Column charts tend to emphasize the differences between the values of different categories, while bar charts emphasize the differences between the values of different data points. Space constraints. Finally, the choice between column charts and bar charts may also depend on space constraints in the chart design. If the chart needs to fit into a narrow space, a bar chart may be a better choice. If the chart has more vertical space, a column chart may be more appropriate. Overall, both column charts and bar charts are useful tools for data visualization, and the choice between them depends on the specific data and chart design requirements.